Today I will show you how to perform the horizontal installation of the Polymac profile with intercalated molding. Unlike the M15P U-shaped molding, which only allows linear installation, the intercalated molding allows for an infinity of design possibilities. Once all required moldings are installed, make sure that the starter molding is level, then proceed with the installation of the first panel. According to the chosen design, you will need to take the measure for the second panel. In this case, since our first panel is 6 feet long, the second panel should be 3 feet long since we're doing a half and half installation. Once your second panel is cut, proceed with the installation while using the spacers. The spacers will serve as guides for the installation of the first panel of each row. At the end of each panel, you'll need to insert an intercalated molding. Make sure to insert the small side first. Once the intercalated molding is installed, proceed with the next panel. Use the spacers once again to ensure an equal distance between panels. Use a laser level to mark the line of the first panel in the row. Once both panels have been fastened, screw the intercalated molding in place. Repeat these steps for the rest of the installation. Use the laser level to ensure vertical alignment. When reaching the top end of the wall, install the first part of the J-trim in 2 pieces. Then, take the measure for your last panel. Once you have your cut panels, install them. After installing all panels, proceed with the second part of the J-trim in 2 pieces.